Hello, friends. Welcome back to another episode of my song and talk show. Today's episode is dedicated to Basuda, Basu Chatterjee, that great filmmaker, passed away yesterday at the age of 93. And he has left behind a, a great deal of memorable movies and songs for us to remember and cherish. Well, Basuda made films which were very close to my heart. In fact, I think it touched everybody's heart. And his films were unlike other films of those days, the 70s particularly, 70s and 80s, because he made films with real characters, very simple stories, and uh, during that period, he made films which gave us the likes of Yesudas, the singing of Yesudas, the mellifluous voice of Yesudas, Amol Palekar, and so many others, Vidyasena. So I still remember being enthralled by that film Chitchor. It was Amol Palekar, and I think it was Zarina Wahab. Zarina Wahab was there in that movie. The songs were so good, so nice, and Yesudas's voice was so refreshing that I fell in love with Basu Chatterjee's movies. Right. And we all remember many of those memorable movies like Piya Ka Ghar in 1972, which had this song, ये जीवन है, इस जीवन का यही है, यही है, यही है रंग रूप. That's a lovely song. Maybe I'll sing that song for you later in some other episode. Then we had Choti Si Baat. Who can forget Amol Palekar in that movie? Vidya Sinha and Amol Palekar and Utpal Dutt and Asrani. It was a great movie. It's full of wit and humor, and it was done so simply, and it was kind of everyone could identify with the characters in the movie and the songs. जाने मन तेरे दो नयन, excellent song. कई बार यूं भी देखा है ये जो मन किसी मरे का है. Brilliant songs. And then came Chitchor, in fact, and कहीं दीप जले आना, कभी शाम डले आना, and many other songs. Yesudas at his absolute best at that time. And then there were films like Baaton Baaton Mein around 1979, I think. न बोल मैंने कुछ कहा कहा मगर न जाने ऐसा क्यों लगा लगा कि धूप में खिला है चांद दिन में रात हो गई. That's a very foot tapping number, in fact. And there was a film called Swami. I don't know how many of you remember. It released, I think, around 1977. And it had this song, का करूं सजनी आए न बालम. Yesudas again. And then there was a film in 1979 with Amitabh Bachchan. And then came Shaukin, I think that was in 1982. Shaukin was again a very rollicking kind of movie with the veterans like Ashok Kumar, Utpal Dutt, A.K. Hangal in a totally different kind of role, which was most enjoyable. It was a comedy with these three veterans falling in love with a young girl, Rati Agnihotri, who has this boyfriend Mithun Chakravarti. It's a very nice movie. If you want, you can maybe search it out on one of these portals or YouTube, and it's a very refreshing kind of different kind of movie altogether. So today I propose to sing two songs. I present two songs in memory of Basuda. May his soul rest in eternal peace. One is my all-time favorite Yesudas's song, Jane Man Tere Do Nayan. And the second song is also Yesudas from Chitchor, कहीं दीप जले आना कहीं शाम ढले आना. So sit back and enjoy these songs, and give me your feedback on these songs. Well, this is a tough song to sing, so I'm going to give it a try. It's Jane Man from Choti Si Baat, a very fast-paced song. I don't know whether I'll be able to do it. If I can't, I'm sorry. Okay, so let's go. Hit the button, fasten seat belts, and start. ओ जाने मन तेरे दो नयन चोरी चोरी लेके गए देखो मेरा मन. जाने मन मेरे दो नयन चोर नहीं सजन तुमसे ही खोया होगा कहीं तुम्हारा मन. जाने मन तेरे दो नयन चोरी चोरी लेके गए देखो तेरा मन. जाने मन मेरे दो नयन चोर नहीं सजन तुमसे ही खोया होगा कहीं तुम्हारा मन. जाने मन. तोड़ दे दिलों की दूरी ऐसी क्या है मजबूरी दिल से मिलने दे. अभी तो हुई है यारी अभी से ये बेकरारी दिन तो जरा ढलने दे. तोड़ दे दिलों की दूरी ऐसी क्या है मजबूरी दिल से मिलने दे. अभी तो हुई है यारी अभी से ये बेकरारी दिन तो जरा ढलने दे. यही सुनते समझते गुजर गए जाने कितने ही सावन. और जाने मन तेरे दो नयन चोरी चोरी लेके गए देखो मेरा मन. जाने मन मेरे दो नयन चोर नहीं सजन तुमसे ही खोया होगा कहीं तुम्हारा मन. जाने मन संग चले मेरे मारे आगे पीछे तेरे समझू मैं तेरे इरादे. दोष तेरा है ये तो हर दिन जब देखो करती हो झूठे वादे. संग चले मेरे मारे आगे पीछे तेरे समझू मैं तेरे इरादे. दोष तेरा है ये तो हर दिन जब देखो करती हो झूठे वादे. तू न जाने दीवाने दिखाऊं कैसे तुझे मैं ये दिल की लगन. ओ जाने मन तेरे दो नयन चोरी चोरी लेके गए देखो मेरा मन. जाने मन मेरे दो नयन चोर नहीं सजन तुमसे खोया होगा कहीं तुम्हारा मन. जाने मन छेड़ेंगे कभी न तुम्हें, जरा बतला दो हमें कब तक हम तरसेंगे। ऐसे घबराओ नहीं, कभी तो कहीं न कहीं बादल ये बरसेंगे। छेड़ेंगे कभी न तुम्हें, जरा बतला दो हमें कब तक हम तरसेंगे। ऐसे घबराओ नहीं, कभी तो कहीं न कहीं बादल ये बरसेंगे। क्या करेंगे बरस के कि जब मुरझाएगा ये सारा चमन। हो जाने मन तेरे दो नयन, चोरी चोरी लेके गए देखो मेरा मन। जाने मन मेरे दो नयन चोर नहीं सजन, तुमसे ही खोया होगा कहीं तुम्हारा मन। जाने मन हाँ जाने मन। Hope I got it right. I'll trial it, and if it's all okay, I'll post it. Wish me luck. जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम डले आना। जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम डले आना। संकेत मिलन का भूल न जाना, मेरा प्यार ना बिसराना। जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले जाना। मैं पलकन डगर बुहारूंगा, तेरी राह निहारूंगा। मैं पलकन डगर बुहारूंगा, तेरी राह निहारूंगा। मेरे प्रीत का काजल तुम अपने नैनों में मले आना। जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम डले आना। जहाँ पहली बार मिले थे हम, जिस जगह से संग चले थे हम। जहाँ पहली बार मिले थे हम, जिस जगह से संग चले थे हम। नदिया के किनारे आज उसी अम्बुआ के तले आना। जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम डले आना। नित सांझ सवेरे मिलते हैं, नित सांझ सवेरे मिलते हैं, उन्हें देख के तारे खिलते हैं, नित सांझ सवेरे मिलते हैं, उन्हें देख के तारे खिलते हैं, लेते हैं विदा एक दूजे से, कहते हैं चले आना, जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना, संकेत मिलन का भूल न जाना, मेरा प्यार ना बिसराना, जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना। Enjoyed? Good.